what you've done with your model so far, Yvonne, and how you brought that Ashtae Shades of Essence colors. Remember now, our colors are semi-permanent, no peroxide, no ammonia. So when you use our colors are able to actually penetrate either before you do a high lift or low lift, or you decolorize, or you can use them directly after a relaxer. So it's semi-permanent, no peroxide, no ammonia. Talk to us about your model, Yvonne.
Yes, my model is all natural. As you can see, this is her natural texture. I want you to see, this is her natural texture. We went in, first we went in and we used our fortifier. We put this in prior to doing a decolorized service on her hair. And then we went in, because this keeps it still silky. You can get silky, beautiful hair and still have natural hair. She has no chemicals in her hair. After I decolorized it, we went in with our Shades of Essence and we built a cocktail. Earlier, Nakia told you about our new hair primer. It's a pre-existing product that we have, but we found to give that more vibrant pop for clients that want a little more lightness and brightness. We went in with our cream of vitalizer and our fortifier again. With this cocktail, what it's doing is you're infusing protein, moisture, shine while you're coloring the hair. So you cut a step, have excellent results. After we finished with her, we took her back to shampoo bowl. We shampooed her with our Silk Protein shampoo, pulled through with our cream of vitalizer again. So you see the pattern. We keep the cream of vitalizer. It keeps her hair soft and subtle. It keeps it with the extra shine. It keeps it moisturized and hydrated so that her hair, even though it's a natural state, stays protected.
And you'll notice what's happening on the screen as well. We're talking about that cocktail that they're making there. They went in with the 3 teaspoons of the cream of vitalizer. I think it says 2 of water. Mix the water and the cream of vitalizer together, and then spray a drop of your fortifier, a flash of your fortifier in there. This cocktail acts as a primer. You know, anytime you're painting a house, and you want to be able to actually make sure that color comes in nice and rich. Well, it's the same thing with hair. If you go with this cocktail, one spray of your Ashtae fortifier, prior to doing your color, you're going to see that color grabs and holds. It's like pigmentizing it. It locks in and holds that color right in place, and it allows that color to be more vibrant, and it lasts longer because the fortifier treatment gives you the actual depth of treatment that you're looking for. So you can see that. Then when she goes in and she begins to flat iron that hair, you'll notice she uses our Moisture Plus, which is our blow drying solution. That Moisture Plus, see what?
And our new triple threat serum.
And the serum, cool. So and the triple threat serum going with that. But you'll notice that hair begins to just silken right out. And that hair, you can notice how the sheen in the hair is already there as well. Now, we haven't put any other product on the hair besides the items that we mentioned. But you'll notice here, notice how we go with that primer. That primer allows you the opportunity to make that hair deeper. So you look on the illustration there, without the primer, with the primer. It colors richer, it's darker. And the same thing you're seeing right here as well.
Chocolate.
Those blended colors, you have chocolate brown on here. And when you feel that hair is nice and silky. That hair really allows you to be able to have the opportunity to go through and just leave that hair silky and moisturized or hydrated. So you're seeing these different things done step by step. You can see the vibrancy and the sheen in that hair. I mean, you can see the sheen. The sheen is already there. The sheen is already there. You can notice that color and notice the tone on tone that we have here. Notice that tone. How many different tones did you use on her hair, Yvonne?
3.
3 different tones.
Yes, I went in. Her base is actually our chocolate brown.
Now, why did you go with the base as chocolate brown?
I wanted to be rich, but yet give it shine and depth against the color pop. Because again, she's the first time getting color. She's a little skeptical. We always want to create a base. A lot of times you slap color on. If there's no base to tie it together, it kind of just seems like it's stuck on there. You want everything to look purposeful. Not to mention, because our colors are conditioning and have high shine, she has a treatment in the back while she's getting her high lift color in the top.